Welcome to Utluna, the first sophisticated and customizable portfolio visualization web app with a setup time of less than 5 minutes. Utluna helps active investors track their overall positions, understand their performance and risks, and mitigate their behavioral biases. Connect your different brokerage accounts so that you no longer waste time collecting and organizing data. Non-bankable assets are also seamlessly handled. Analytics are delivered in an intuitive format. They help understand what drives your performance and risks and monitor your cash flows, such as transaction fees, dividends, etc. Get as granular as you wish. Analytics at the portfolio, asset class, currency, strategy, or position level are all available within one click. Customizable tags allow you to slice and dice your portfolio along any dimension you deem relevant. Here are a few examples. Industry sectors, your investment themes, or even say the weather on the day of your investment decision. Define your investment strategies, keep all your research well organized at your fingertips, write up investment pre- and post-mortems, and avoid cognitive dissonance thanks to Utluna's multimedia trading journal and social features. Try it out. It only takes 5 minutes to get started. Sign up is anonymous and no credit card is required. Start a free trial now.